Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Natural Hub. I'm thrilled to have you join us for this enlightening discussion on nail health. If you're curious about those vertical ridges and what they could signify, you're in for a treat. Have you ever glanced down at your nails and noticed those subtle but distinct vertical ridges? They might seem insignificant at first, but did you know they could actually be trying to communicate something important about your health? Today, we're delving deep into the cause of those mysterious vertical ridges and what they might be telling you. But before we unravel this intriguing mystery, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have notifications turned on. We have plenty more valuable insights coming your way. Vertical ridges on nails are a common occurrence, and while they're often benign, they can sometimes indicate underlying issues that warrant attention. You see, nails are composed of layers of keratin, a protein that forms the hard surface of our nails. Over time, as we age, these layers can become less tightly packed, resulting in the formation of those vertical ridges. However, vertical ridges can also be a sign of dehydration or nutrient deficiencies. If your ridges appear more prominent, or if you're experiencing other symptoms like brittle nails or discoloration, it may be a sign that your body is lacking essential vitamins and minerals. Ensuring you stay adequately hydrated and consume a balanced diet rich in nutrients like vitamins A, C, and biotin can help promote healthy nail growth and minimize the appearance of those ridges. Additionally, incorporating moisturizing nail oils or creams into your daily routine can help keep your nails hydrated and nourished, reducing the likelihood of ridges and other nail issues. Of course, if you're ever unsure about changes in your nails or have concerns about your overall health, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized recommendations and address any underlying issues that may be contributing to nail changes. So there you have it, the fascinating truth behind those vertical ridges on your nails. While they may seem like a minor cosmetic concern, they can offer valuable insights into your health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to take care of those nails. They're more than just a fashion statement, they're a window to your health. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.